Hi everyone. I have a little problem with this tiny bed of my girl, and the problem is that when you shake it, it makes horrible noises because of this joint here is also of wood, and the wood presses on wood and makes this horrible voice. For usual, as a solution, you would use oil and put on these sides over here, but this is wood, and when you put oil, I'm not sure how it will react. Maybe the wood goes, the wood might expand, or of course the worst case is when the oil dries after a time, it becomes a very dark and disgusting dust that makes drag all over the place. So what I thought about doing is I just cut a boxing plastic. It's very thin, but you can feel it's quite strong, and I will cut it into rings and put one on each corner of the wood. I will cut them in diameter a little bit smaller than this joint here, so that they won't be visible, and this joint will be like an I don't know how to call it. The plastic will be just to isolate the friction between the wood, and hopefully it will prevent the voice from coming out these. And I will do the same on the other side here, and let's see how it will go. So I'm ready with the rings now. I need to take off both parts and then put the rings in between, and let's see what happens. So the screws are out. I need to take these just like that. Hope this won't fall. No. Perfect. You can see how the color is off because of the friction, and yeah, that made noise. Now, here are my tiny plastic friction isolators. That's how I call them. I don't know their English term. And yeah, let's try to put them in their place. So let's see if we will manage to put them on their place as we should. I must say, it's not easy to work when you don't see what they're doing, what you're doing. And that's exactly the case at this moment. I have no idea what I'm doing over there, because it's dark and cold. No. Good, perfect, perfect. One of them is also already inside. The next one I will try to mount first on this screw from outside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but never mind, you'll see the effect, and I am sure that you can already guess what I'm doing. Yeah, I managed to hit the hole. Now let's put together these screws. It's also a little bit complicated. Unexpectedly, yeah, I managed to find a hole. Okay, now I took off the decoration curtain so that I don't make a mess out of it. I have a huge screwdriver to fix these things. Good, good. Let's see. Oh, that's what I wanted to hear. Oh, look how smooth that is. I'm really happy with that thing. So, yeah, that's a nice, small, maybe very simple trick, but it is really helpful. Now I need to clean this before my wife kills me, but I'm sure she will be happy with the result. The other side I have already done, and the result you have seen. Now I'm sure that my little baby girl will sleep much better, because it was a problem to put her on and shake her a little bit to sleep here in this bed. Although that's its function, the engineers at the shop should have thought about it. I was suspicious even when I bought it, but I thought I'd take the chance first. So, again, I'm really happy to hear this, or not hear anything, as you wish. So guys, don't forget to like my video, and I'll make sure that you receive more interesting simple tricks and tricks that you can use in your everyday life. Thank you for watching.